Right, today we're looking at these true wireless earbuds. So we'll start by taking them out of the box. Come in this nice case, and then of course we've also got your USB charger, your micro cable, and then attachments for each of the earpods, plus a user manual. All right, so then when we open this out, first we've got this plastic protectant on it, which is kind of cool. How do we open it up? There we go. All right, so they're in here. This is where they charge. They can charge right in the pod, and it says they can charge 3 to 4 times on a single charge once this is fully charged. Here's what we've got. The earpods, they're just really small. And then you can see the charger inside. And you click that to charge. All right, so that turns the power on. Now to charge this, you just attach that either to your USB, or you can hook it in this way as well. So we've got all the charger that we need. Let's go ahead and get it charged up and ready to go.
All right, so I've been wearing these all day today, and let me tell you a few things about them. I have to pull out so I can hear normal. All right, so the cool thing is you've got 2 different earpods. You only need one, which sometimes that's really handy. I like to only have one when I'm in the car, because then I can hear the sound around me, but also listen to music or my podcast while in the car. So I really like that they don't have to be synced. They do automatically sync when they're on. So each of them has a power button that you just click, and that will turn the power on. And it will also, if you click it, that will press play or pause, or if you're getting a phone call, it will answer the phone. So it's a really simple interface. You've got a microphone on, I think both of them have a microphone. Looks like they have a microphone on each one. And so they both play a mic. So if you only want to carry one around with you, that's really great, because then you've got the microphone with you, and it works really great. The sound quality I found is consistent with other earpods. So in the kind of $40 to $80 range, it's about the same as those. Pretty good bass on them. The treble isn't as awesome as I'd like to see, but pretty good middle of the road earpods. Now, why did I get these ones? Because I'm a runner, and they're waterproof. They fit in fairly comfortably and don't fall out. And so this is really good for if you're going to be in rain. You could even take them in the shower or things like that. And so that's really nice that they're waterproof and still have decent quality sound. So pretty awesome. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below, so if you want to order some, you can go through that link, and that'll be super great. All right, see ya.